Other new arrival, the 1960 Plymouth Belvedere, two-door hardtop, sky blue and dark blue metallic over dark and light blue. This is over-the-top styling. This thing, like I said, the Ferrari Roma is what you would draw if you're drawing a sports car. This is what you would draw if you were doing something weird. And
if you were living in the 50s and they say draw a futuristic spaceship
car, this is what you would draw.
Exactly.
It's the rear quarter fender things are just bizarre. They're crazy.
Like a jet plane.
It really is. Crazy. It looks like it could take off. It quite possibly could.
If it didn't weigh, 6,000 pounds.
Well, that's just the chrome, right? Yeah. The rest of it is add on top of that. So this thing has got a long ram intake, which has got, and it's got the dual quad.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
The dual quads on it, and
very cool.
As we said in the description, nothing else like it. That's
right.
couldn't be more perfect thing to say.
Well, thank you.